The B-25J Mitchell is the best known and most important medium bomber of World War II, and was also effective as an attack aircraft in low-level strafing missions, using its large number of machine guns to obliterate targets on land and sea. Scale placement of the engines, coupled with light wing loading, make the Hangar 9 B-25J Mitchell ARF a better handling twin than most. The scale detail on Mitch the Witch 2 is accurate enough to make you believe you're really engaged in aerial combat. From the engine nacelles to the radiator scoops, and the gun turrets to the included 50 caliber gun packs, it's all just ready to be installed. The airframe is even designed to accommodate optional Robart pneumatic retractable landing gear for the ultimate in scale detail. The B-25J Mitchell Twin ARF can be perfectly powered by two Evolution 36 NT engines, or you can fly electric straight from the box, no conversion necessary. Just mount your motors, charge, and fly. This bomber is sure to cause an explosion of excitement on and off the flying field.